we have the wisdom of God, and how does it register in our hearts, in our mind? Because what you have to understand is this. In order for you to obtain the things of God, you must have a teachable spirit. Come on, somebody say teachable. Oh, I love that. You have to have a teachable spirit. It scares me when people say, I've been in this way a long time. You just been in the way. Because if you've been through so much trauma and hell raging in your life, God is asking us sometimes, you need to be teachable.